on the free tier, the purpose there is to give them direction. It's to filter them. You want to have a clear about page. I do one recurring weekly workshop. It's free. People come, we cover a specific topic, and then we open up for Q&A. It's all recorded, and then we put it inside the member area that anybody can access at the free layer. Okay. This does a lot of things for you. Number one, it teaches you a lot about the problems people actually have, what they're really wanting, and it allows you to make content that is really valuable and sticky that gets people to want to join your free community. And we just fix one problem and then we make an offer at the end, and it's a very subtle one. It's really not even like you think of, back in the day, or these webinars and everything where there's these hard sales and, going through these stacks and all this crap. People just want their problem solved, and they want it to be clear and easy, especially when it's a painful problem. The last thing you want is a bunch of whatever. Okay. You just want the damn answer. So let's look at this here. I've got this pulled up. So this diagram here, first off, this is how you can, how a Skool freemium model actually scales to $100,000 a month. Okay. And we've done this. We won the Skool games. We went well over $100,000 a month when we did that. And we continue to do it. But you have social media. It goes to your free Skool. You do weekly and monthly workshops. Then you get premium members, VIP members. And then there's other ways to bring in, exterior income where you have like essentially affiliate offers. You have guest speakers. They'll bring people that you can do some like list sharing. There's some one-off stuff that you can do. All those things are possible that increase the number. You have your plan in Skool, and this is the freemium model. Okay. So this is like for ours, for Make Once. You have your free. This is where they get the freedom map, the weekly freedom workshop, like I was talking about. And then we do a monthly 3-day sprint. It's like a 3-day intensive, and we just cover something over 3 days. Those are your conversion events. Those are the weekly workshop and the monthly 3-day. That's where you get people to upgrade naturally because they want to. In the free part of your program, all right, on Skool, they get community access. They get those things. This is where they understand your model. They understand how you solve it. They understand that you understand them. And then they see what's possible. Then they move to your premium layer, okay, where you give them your step-by-step program. They get everything in the free, obviously, and then they get weekly build-out workshops for just people that are paying members. They get, templates and systems and the toolkit. They get the monthly freedom sprints here. They can build the system, create recurring income in this case. In other words, I'm solving that problem. And then in the VIP, they get everything that's in the premium, but they then just get direct access to you in a different way. They get more live review stuff with you. They have to make fewer decisions. They get faster execution. They can run everything that you're doing in the premium way better, faster. And so essentially they get more of you and they get a refinement even more. Okay. So here's how this goes. Somebody's watching you on social media. You'll have a link up here in your bio, in this case on YouTube. When you get to my YouTube channel right away, you know what I'm about. Building recurring income with Skool, YouTube, and AI. They can see that I help online educators build recurring income with Skool, YouTube, and AI. It's just the same message all throughout. It's so important that you have that through line where no matter what they see of yours, they understand what you do. They understand that if they have that problem, you can help them solve it. I've got a channel trailer on here. You can't see it on this because this is a static shot. But if a new member comes to the channel that is not subscribed, then there's a little like 1.5 minute channel trailer that essentially just says, if you are this person, if you have this problem, I understand you. I'm here to help you. Here's what this channel's about. Here's what we talk about. Okay. Now, you can go to my channel and you can see this trailer if you want to get an idea of what it is. So, but here's how they can access. Just simple link in bio. And then in your actual content itself, okay, all of your content should be related to, obviously, how you solve the problem, who you help, showing them, demonstrating, okay? And then down here, you just want the link down below. It just literally, again, echoing what we talked about. Build recurring income as an online educator instead of starting over each month, because that's a big problem people have. They want the recurring income. They don't want to have to keep launching every month. They don't want to have to, keep running ads to make things happen. They're getting burned out with that, right? They want something that, comes in slow and steady for a very, 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 very long time. They can click and get to the school that way. Okay. And then in the the pinned comment, the first pinned comment down here, I put the same thing. There's no way they're not going to see this or find it. And that's all you have to do. And you don't have to be like, all salesy. You just, hey, it's down in the description. Hey, just go check it out if you want to see it. People are looking for that, especially now in the age of AI. The more real and authentic you are, the more you just chill out and talk with your people and try to just focus on solving that problem, and you're there consistently, you will beat everybody else. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats luck. Consistency beats being perfect. You just need to be a problem solver for your ideal specific niche that you help. When they click either of those links, whether it's the link in bio here, or it's the one in your comment or down below in the description, they come over to your about page for your school. When they get here, they essentially just watch this video. Okay, I've got a little video over there you can go watch. It's 4 minutes and 42 seconds. I just explain what it is. And down in my description down below, it's just simple, echoing the same thing. Okay, if you look over here, same thing, echoing the same thing, being clear, being just forward and clear. If you have this problem, we can help you solve it. So they go there, and then if they click to join, it'll pop up 3 questions that we ask them. Those 3 questions that we ask them, those are filtering questions. Those help us understand, is this somebody we want in our community or not? And I turn down more people than I accept. Your business will start growing pretty good if you can get to around 20 new members joining per day. That's kind of the sweet spot I've noticed. Anything north of that, it just gets better. But you have to be diligent in the way that you shut things down. You can't just, you're not trying to grow a number up. Like you're not impressing anybody, okay, by just having a bunch of numbers over there. Oh, I have thousands of people in my school. You might think that. What it really comes down to is having the right people, because they'll bring more of the right people. Trust me. Birds of a feather stick together. And if you just focus on that, you'll do really, really well. So I kind of laid out what happens here. And this is kind of what you'll have too. When somebody comes inside of the community, there's a start here classroom. It's just got one video in it. Whether they paid to get in or they came in for free, they watch that video. That video directs them where to go. It shows them what you're about. It explains everything. In this case, if they were to have watched that video, they would then come to this freedom map. And this is where we show how a recurring school business actually works to create freedom or financial money. Okay. Get out of having to worry about that. So that's what we do inside of here. And I have, I'm here. I show examples. There's 9 videos. I'm showing you this because this is what you would put together yourself. All right. This is what actually converts the people. And if you look in here, this link right here allows them to go to the plans page. So if they click that link right here, okay, then it takes them to this page where they can upgrade and join, premium or VIP. Okay. So this is good. What I do give them is I give them live weekly workshops. So this is the freedom map. It's in the calendar. Okay. So when they go to the calendar and they get in there, they see that and they can join. All right. And it's recorded. We give them the replays. Then they also get access to the monthly freedom sprints. And every month, the last week of the month, there's 3 days blocked out and we do a workshop. It's like an hour and a half. And then afterwards, there's an hour and a half of Q&A, private discussion, things like that. But that's only for the people that upgrade to premium. So if they want that, they have to upgrade. So again, it is a conversion event. It's what helps you convert. It works so well. Okay. It's so natural too and clean. So when they upgrade, then they come over here and they get, this is the Freedom OS, the Freedom Operating System. This is where they get the full-fledged model, training, templates, resources, everything. They get access to you, twice per week now. And they get extra stuff, toolkits, and, whatever it is, I give them prompts and different things. And again, this is all in the calendar already. So nobody's in confusion of what's going on. It's just attend. Is this clear? Does this solve my problem? Move on. Okay. And then, of course, they would get community support. And then here they get access. So if they did end up, upgrading. So let's say they were a free member. They came to one of the 3-day intensive, the 3-day sprint, the workshops there. Okay. And they said, oh, this was great. I'd like to speak to Mike afterwards. Other people in the group. I want to do the Q&A. I want this. Okay. They can upgrade to your premium, which in this case, in my case is only $59. It's like a cheap dinner date with your grandma. They get access to the Freedom Sprints VIP, which happens about a half hour after the workshop on each of the 3 days. Okay. So this happens each month. And so each month you're gaining a lot of new members in. I've got another video that I'm going to be doing here soon on the channel where I talk about what those actual numbers are that you have to do as far as, on content, out on social media to get the amount of members that you want each month to hit a certain goal. Okay. So everything can be boiled down to math, by the way. Okay. There shouldn't be any like, oh, I don't know what it takes or whatever. No, it's what's the goal? And we reverse engineer from there using math. And then it just comes down to, are you going to be there? Are you going to show up consistently? That's all it boils down to. So I always say, if you can solve problems, okay, and well, let me back this up. The only way to truly, truly controllably make money is by solving problems. If you look, anytime you ever take money out of your pocket or out of your bank account, it's going towards some sort of problem being solved, whether it's eating, arousal, personal identification, whatever it may be, any helping someone else, whatever it is, there's a problem that you have you're trying to solve, use that. Okay. Money's a tool. If you don't have any money and you're an online educator, a coach, somebody with specific knowledge, or somebody with specific knowledge and you're going to get them in front of people, or you're going to be the reporter on specific knowledge, whatever it is. Okay. If you have the knowledge, however you have it, whether you're the expert or somebody else is, and you're getting them in front of people and you're not making money, it's because the people that have that problem, they don't know that you can solve it because you're not out there showing them that you can. So it's a pretty easy problem to solve yourself. And then, you have to have this system in place that I'm showing you right now. So inside of this now, okay, so inside of this paid layer, the premium layer, they get more access, they get the answer to the problem, they can solve it. Inside of that, you're helping them see that if they want things to happen faster, they want even more, then they can upgrade to VIP. If they do annual, you want to give them anywhere from, well, basically if somebody upgrades to any annual, so you could do like, for instance, if you join mine at $59 a month, you also have this option to go to annual and you could pay for the whole year. And, you save like $200 and some odd dollars. So if you to upgrade to annual, it's only $500. So you save $208, right? You save about 29% or something. Same with the VIP. They could join monthly and maybe they only need a few months. I don't know. Or they could join for the whole year and they save almost $500. Okay. So big deal. You want to give them about 20% discount on the annual. Inside of the VIP layer, at the end of the day, if you want to keep it simple in your mind, they just get more access to you. Okay, they just get the answer faster. They just get the answer with less decisions in their, So, and that's what people would pay for. If you were at the dentist and he goes, hey, I can make this happen twice as fast and 100 times less painful, would you do it? And you'd be like, yeah, of course. That's the case there. They get more access to you. Okay. There's more private time. Think about it like you could buy Tiger Woods's How to Golf online program and, talk to him once or twice a month. And yeah, you do all right. You do better than if you just tried to do it on your own. But think how fast you would go if you could talk to him 3 times a week and you could, personally reach out to him and he could like show you just like boom right there. Think how much faster that would be. So it comes down to speed, right? And then from here, so that's just the one community, right? You have your 3 layers. You got the free layer right here, your paid premium layer, and then you got VIP. And then if you want to, down the road, when you get going, we have like a higher ticket thing that is like our mastermind, and you can do that too. This is where people actually meet with us. They've came here to my office, to this Dallas high rise here. You can well, you can see on the screen, she's literally in my office right there. Reba's amazing, and there's others too. You can see that, but that's where it just, again, like we talked about, from going from premium to VIP. When they go from your one school to, so let's say, if you so choose, it's not necessary, but if you so choose, a mastermind layer, they get even more of you, to a point where they're in person with you several times a year, or however you do it. Okay. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that process. Let's go back here. So that's what's happening, right? So your premium tier, you're giving them more momentum. They get more accountability. They get the replays. They get more access. On the VIP, you're compressing time for them. You're going even faster. They get direct access to you. They get more review action, faster decisions. VIP is not for more content. It's less time wasted. That's period what it is. And that's, people pay for that.